let's dive into the realm of spreadsheets, an indispensable tool in both personal and professional realms. Let's explore how you can use spreadsheets to simplify your life. First, consider the interface. Open your spreadsheet program, whether it's Excel, Google Sheets, or another. You'll see a grid system made up of columns and rows. Each intersection here is called a cell. Cells are where you'll input your data. To begin, enter your headers in the cells of the first row. These headers will describe the contents of each column, like name, date, or amount. It's essential to keep these titles clear and concise to make your data easy to understand. To input data, click on a cell and type your text or numbers. You can navigate using the arrow keys. Now let's talk about basic functions. These are vital for calculations and data management. Common functions include sum, average, and count. To use the sum function, select an empty cell and type equals sum. Then highlight the cells you want to add together, close with a parenthesis, and press enter. Voila, you've totaled your values. For more complex operations, use formulas. Start by typing equals into a cell to indicate a formula. Add your equation, like equals A1 plus B1, and hit enter. You'll see the result instantly. Be sure to use cell references rather than typing numbers directly, as this keeps your calculations dynamic and updated with any changes. To organize your data, employ sorting and filtering. Highlight the columns or range of cells you wish to sort or filter, then choose your desired option from the toolbar. For sorting, decide if you want an ascending or descending order. Filtering allows you to display only the rows that meet specific criteria, which comes in handy for large datasets. Let's not forget the power of visualization. Graphs and charts can make data digestible at a glance. Highlight the data you want to visualize, navigate to the Insert section, then select your chart type. Bar, line, or pie chart are popular options. Customize the appearance to suit your needs. Finally, remember to save your work regularly. Save your spreadsheet in your preferred format and location. It ensures data recovery after unforeseen incidents. You've now grasped the basics of spreadsheet use, from entering data, using functions, to visualizing and saving it. Start experimenting and explore the endless possibilities spreadsheets offer to make your workflow more efficient. In summary, think of spreadsheets as a Swiss Army knife.